arts are very respected at St. Agnes.
The leaders of the St. Agnes Choir are second to none. I mean, they're amazing people, and the music that we got to sing, I really, really loved, and just the sound that we created was really incredible. And I got to learn how to read music.
I take choir, so first period, it's before school from 7 to 8. I go to the choir room with Mr. Buckley and I take choir. And it's been nice getting to know more people. Triple Trio is a varsity choir group within choir. So there's choir and then there's Triple Trio and performance workshop, and I'm part of Triple Trio. What we do is we sing more classical music, Renaissance music. We perform at the Renaissance Festival in our Renaissance Festival dresses. It's only 18 people, but we do a lot of a cappella singing and general Renaissance music. So there's 9 St. Agnes and 9 Strike students.
I do orchestra and technical theater, so it was really good to get to be in the orchestra. We have it with the boys at Strike, but there's opportunities to do solo competitions and start ensembles and audition for bigger orchestras like All-State and Region, so you can really just do whatever you want, and I've really enjoyed that.
An amazing, amazing experience that really helped me or allowed me to love music even more than I thought I could.